August 5th, 2025 here in Southern California. They've been spraying more of those trails around the sky, and now they're spiraling out, so they're going to be covering the sky again today. So tomorrow, August 6th, is the 80th anniversary of the bombing of Hiroshima. And what's interesting is on the news they're talking a lot about Sydney Sweeney. So I looked up her name, Sydney, and it means wide island. And I looked up the name Hiroshima, and it means wide island. Then I looked up Sweeney, and it means hero, which sounds like Hiroshima. There's just a lot of synchronicities going on here. So they put things out in front of us for predictive programming. And now in Australia, at the Sydney Harbour Bridge, there's Sydney again, and harbour like Pearl Harbor. They're having protests and a lot of people on the bridge. So they're drawing a lot of attention to the Sydney Harbour Bridge. And like I said, Sydney means wide island, and so does Hiroshima. And over there in Australia, they call people Aussies, and Aussie just died. So there's a lot of codes out there. You just have to learn how to read the news and see what they're saying. It's like word magic, double speak. I think they call it masterful speech. When they're in these clubs and secret societies, they learn masterful speech. They could be saying something and it really means the opposite of what they're saying. Or they're coding something else into it. Well, have a nice day, everybody. We'll see what happens with all this predictive programming in the news.